How big is our galaxy? Firstly, the distance from the Earth to the Sun is about 150 million kilometers.
The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are moving towards each other at around 250 kilometers per second. 0.
Hello cosmic explorers and welcome back to Universe Explained. The universe is a vast and wondrous place filled with countless galaxies, stars and celestial bodies. The Andromeda galaxy stands out as a particularly captivating sight. Located approximately 2.537 million light years away from our home planet Earth, Andromeda is our closest spiral galaxy neighbor. It's like the big sister to our own Milky Way galaxy. And together with the Triangulum galaxy and about 54 other smaller galaxies, they form what is known as the local group. The Andromeda galaxy has been a source of fascination for many generations. Imagine, over 1,000 years ago, in 964 AD, a Persian astronomer named Al-Sufi looked up at the sky and recorded his observations of this distant galaxy. Back then, without the help of modern telescopes, he could only see a faint smudge of light. But that smudge was in fact a galaxy filled with trillions of stars. With the invention and improvement of telescopes over the centuries, our view of Andromeda has become clearer. We have discovered that at its very heart there is a dense cluster of stars. Some scientists even believe that there might be a double black hole at its center, which is an incredibly exciting possibility. When we compare Andromeda to our Milky Way, we find that it has more than twice the number of stars. That's 1 trillion stars, each possibly with its own planet and moons. However, even though Andromeda is bigger and has more stars, it's not as tightly packed as the Milky Way. The stars in Andromeda are spread out more. This is an important detail because in about 4 billion years, something spectacular is going to happen. The Milky Way and the Andromeda are on a collision course. Now, when we hear the word collision, we might imagine a massive explosion with stars crashing into each other. But space is vast and stars are very far apart from each other. So when two galaxies meet, it won't be a destructive event. Instead, the stars from both the galaxies will dance around each other, weaving in and out. And over time, they will settle into a new formation. This merged galaxy has been given out some fun names by astronomers like Milkomeda or Andromeda. For the people or perhaps other life forms living on Earth in the distant future, this will be a sight to behold. The night sky will transform with new patterns of stars, new constellations, and other beautiful celestial events. It will be a reminder of how the universe is always changing, always evolving. Today, with the help of powerful telescopes, both on Earth and in space, we can see Andromeda galaxy in stunning detail. We can observe its beautiful spiral arms, which are like cosmic pinwheels. We can see the dark patches, which are lanes of dust, and the bright spots, which are clusters of young hot stars. Every image, every observation adds to our understanding of this magnificent galaxy. So, the next time you find yourself outside on a clear night, take a moment to look up. Even if you can't see Andromeda with your naked eye, know that it's out there, a shining example of the beauty and mystery of the universe. It's a bridge between our past, when ancient astronomers first noted its presence, and a future when our galaxies will embrace it in a cosmic dance. The Andromeda galaxy, with its trillion stars, serves as a reminder of the vastness of space and the wonder it holds. Thank you for journeying with us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more cosmic explorations. Until our stars align again, see you next time.